Hello, everyone. It is your good friend Jack here, and I'm back again with a Wax Weekly video brought to you by EOS Dublin and Wax School. Well, it's been an exciting week on Wax or on the Wax blockchain or in the Wax blockchain ecosystem because the news has broke that AtomicHub has been acquired by Spielworks or Wombat. Um, I'm not sure which is the best one to refer to them as, but a lot of people know them as Wombat. Some people know them as Spielworks as well. So that is the big news. The good news with that is that a lot of the things on AtomicHub will remain the same for now until the team who have acquired AtomicHub have for definite made sure that it's all running smoothly. In future, I see obviously the integration of the Wombat wallet and the token being used on AtomicHub, and then to add to that, you might see some integrations across the other blockchains like Immutable X, that kind of thing. And there is information that has been published on that by Spielworks in a Medium post that you will find probably across their Twitter or their X channel, whichever you're still calling that app. Who knows these days? But as usual, we'll continue in the same course and hopefully we'll cover a little bit more on the Wombat story and have a couple of just little mentions as well, as we always do on these videos. So over the last 7 days, as usual, Funko is dominating. Wombat is up there with Dungeon Master, but that is usual as well. Alien Worlds, nothing that we haven't seen before, and that's across the last 7 days. Some big numbers coming in for Steven Universe. Caught me off guard as well. 1.3 million wax, again, massive for each of these products to come out, or projects to come out, or I suppose products to come out and do 50k off the bat. No wonder they keep releasing so many of them. Another thing as well is just a mention to Wombat. If you haven't checked out their wallet, the app is pretty slick. You can sign in, you can connect your Wax Cloud wallet, say, through the app if you want to play Dungeon Master. It has some other cool features as well, but if you haven't already, go over and check out the app for Wombat. Get set up on it if you're not, and yeah, get ready for that because it's going to be big. Their website is also pretty cool. It mentions the apps there as well, and then covers off a little bit of the benefits and what they're going for as well, so it's very cool. Have a look at it. It's going to become part of the everyday life for us Wax fams anyway, so get on that. Another update about our Wax drop calendar that we're doing. We're still in testing phase at this stage. It's starting to look a little bit better, and we're just finalizing a few details on how we're going to collect some information from people who want to publish information in a document that's, say, a public document that everyone can view. We're thinking something along those lines, but yeah, that's just a quick update on where we are at, where Wax School is at with the Wax calendar. Couple of honorable mentions. Waxalotls, NFTs dropped yesterday. I didn't actually participate in the launch. I thought I had early access, but I didn't. So I decided to give this one a miss. I said I'd check out the secondary market the next day, but as you can see, the max was reached. I think these are circulating for about $4 now. So if anybody's on it for the flip, they're probably making $2. So they're doubling their money, which isn't bad, but you need a lot of flips to make a decent profit. But that's cool to see that has sold out. I think they are having another public drop. And across the board, I mean, the artwork looks pretty cool. We're following in the same standard as previous PFP drops with the different attributes or the different traits, different backgrounds, wax hats, whatnot. And you can see that there's some crazy prices going. Don't know if they're selling for this as well. If we take a little look at the history, it'll be interesting to see anyway. There's one that went for 250. We can check out the highest as well. Okay, so probably about 40 bucks, and this guy looks pretty cool. Space background, lightsaber. This guy's also pretty funky. And then if we go just for the mint token exclusively, we go the highest price paid. Ooh, $8, $6, $6, $6. So Some people made some very successful flips, and those NFTs have been burnt and the waxolotls have been created. But still, cool project overall. Definitely worth checking out if it's something that you're interested in. A lot of PFP projects appearing on Wax these days, which is welcome. And finally, I just want to mention the guys over at Clash Dome. I've been trying to get back into this arcade style web page they have where you can play loads of games and get ranked up and stuff. Again, it's very early days for me on this. I used to play the Endless Siege game back when it first launched, when they first have it, and it was great. Now it seems like it's versus, which is still pretty cool. You can stake your NFT character to the game for additional bonus resources or bonus points, but still pretty cool as well overall. So it's just a little mention at the end of the video for clashdome.io. Check it out if you haven't already, it's well worth it. And that brings us to the end of our Wax Weekly video this week. We'll be back again next week with another update on what's been going on. More than likely back with more news about Wombat and what's been happening there. Very exciting times, and we're all looking forward to seeing how it progresses. Until then, it's your good friend Jack here signing off. As usual, these videos are sponsored by EOS Dublin and Wax School, and we just want to say, wax on, everyone.